Guys, dito ako sa Tagaytay. Nag-walk-in kami sa Wendy's Ridge Inn. Ayan guys, napakaganda. Ayan guys. Dito kami mag-check-in. Ayan guys. Napakaganda. Tagaytay. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng lugar. Ang ganda ng lugar. Kewi.
Kaya nakabili ng ano to.
But we could do that. We could do that later today.
Hello guys, yan ito.
Before you guys
Wala tayong
go.
tubig.
Itong Tagaytay.
Walang tubig.
Ay, bili kayo. Ayan guys, napakagandang area. Guys, bisita namin. Vlog only, vlog.
Nice.
Nice, yeah. This is my pamangkin. Hey, English pamangkin? Ha?
Nipo.
Nipo. Yes, Nipo. Yeah, very nice fish. Good.
Now it's now very cloudy, but if it is clear, it's
Yeah.
very beautiful here.
Beautiful. Taal Volcano. Yan.
Mama.
Nice place, guys. Napakagandang lugar.
Diyan ka lang, stay there.
Yan, guys.
Just wait.
Yan, this is place
Okay?
Rains Inn Hotel. Inn. Yan guys.
I wonder if they have any condominiums there. Probably not.
Condominium. Me? Your before Aguinaldo Mini Condominium.
Marissa has 3.
Now, my love, I'm talking that way.
Thank you for watching.